Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact auto close problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, what you need to do first, just right click on your desktop and then click NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait, and then once you're here, click use my preference and move it to performance, and then click apply, and that's it. After that, go to settings and make sure your Windows is updated. If it's not, just update your Windows and then restart your PC and try again, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.